So we're going to make the numbers just a tiny bit bigger, and we're going to try another way. This is the area model. We're going to stick with a one-digit divisor. So let's do something like 348 divided by 7. This is the problem. So when you do an area model, you're going to put the number in a box, just like multiplication. It's going to go here on the outside, and your number 348 is going to go right here on the inside of the box. Just like the standard algorithm, instead of working this way, you work this way. It works really well for kids who are disorganized with their math and forget where to look. This gives you a visual representation of where to look. I do draw a line right after here. Now the same thing, 7 cannot go into 3 because when I start counting by 7s, I get 7. So now I'm going to move over to the 34. I'm no longer looking at it as a 3, it's a 34, and I'm going to count by 7s to get as close to 34 as I can. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. 35 is too big, so we're going to use 28. So now we need to know how many times was that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 7 is 28. Now, what you want to do here is add zeros. So instead of taking 28, let's take 280, because we're trying to break this number down. We want to get rid of this number. We want this number to be less than this number. So subtract. I'm left with 68. Now 68 is what's left over right now. So after you sorted the pom-poms, you still have 68 and you're sorting them into 7s, so you got to keep going. Move this guy right here and restart. So 7 cannot go into 6. We're looking into 7 into 68. We need to continue counting. So 35. 70 is too big. And you only ever need to count up 9 times anyways. You're not ever going to use a 10, but 70 is too big. So we are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 times 9 is 63. Subtract 8 minus 3 is 5. And since 5 is less than 7, if you were to sort your pom-pom balls and you only had 5 and you had 7 groups, well, you couldn't do that. So 5 becomes the remainder. Your answer becomes 49 with a remainder of 5.